We took on this kitchen renovation last year, and it involved doing a bit of building work at the same time. We took out some walls and things. This house used to be a corner shop, so it's a really unusual shape. It's our triangular house, which our builders loved when they came to fit that, as you can imagine. But yeah, we've lived here for 17 years, and we always wanted to make the kitchen the heart of the home. We've got 2 little boys, and we just wanted to make it the place where we all come together, friends, family. So we've got some friends who ordered a kitchen through DIY, and they recommended. We went to a few different kitchen manufacturers, we had a look round, and then we took the plunge to come up to the showroom, and then that was it. There was no going back from there. We knew it was going to be DIY for us. Oh, it was fab, we loved it. It's just so impressive. As soon as you walk in, it's huge. There's so many different options to have a look around and play with. We were able to take the kids as well, they came with us. No question was daft either, because I love to ask a question every now and then. So there was lots of people on hand to help us out. We came away with lots of ideas, colours that we actually hadn't really considered until we'd seen them in real life. Definitely recommend going to the showroom. In the planner, you can plan for square rooms, but I just contacted DIY and explained that our room is kind of such an unusual shape, and they were great. They taught me through how to do, where to put the cabinets, how to sort the angles. And then once we finished the process as well and we sent it back to the planners, they checked it over for me as well. But just being able to do it myself, that was brilliant, loved that. Don't be scared of it, I would say, because I think it's a little bit daunting if you've not done something like that before. I've never done anything like this before. But if you've got a vision in your head, or even if you haven't, just play around with it, have a go. It's easy to use, and if you get things wrong, just swap it out and change it. So yeah, really good. So one of my favourite things about DIY is that you can play around with the internals of the cupboards. So we've gone for the carbon doors, and we've got the graphite carcasses in all of the cupboards, apart from our larder. So we've got the Lancaster oak inside the larder, which we ordered the spice rack separately with that one as well. So yeah, that's my favourite bit. When we were looking at the kitchen and the appliances, we looked around, looked at different prices and things, and the actual quality of the appliances, that was important to me. We love to cook, so we went to DIY with all the AEG appliances, and it was just ease. The quality of the appliances was fantastic, and just having them delivered together with the kitchen was fab. So yeah, no problems with delivery at all. Communication was good. We didn't have any issues with any damage. Everything was fine. So that was ace.